This demo, we're going to do some automation around your on sale collection. Now, one of the things you can do out of the box is to have a collection smart collection based on having a compare at price. If you have any compare at price, it will drop that into the collection. What this one can do is get a little more granular. What we're going to do here is specifically look at products where the compare at price is different from the regular price by a specific amount. So in this case, I've got a one in there, but it could be $10, $100, whatever you want to do, get creative out there. So what we're doing here is we're triggering on product updated, grabbing the variance, looping over the variance, and then here's the filter with some liquid math magic. We want to see compare at price is not empty. And I always have the hardest time in the world reading this liquid stuff. I don't know why they don't just do good old fashioned like twig style math, but I digress. So anyways, this is just doing price minus compare at price, absolute value, and then see what the difference is there. So if it passes that filter, we go ahead, tag it and bag it, and then you're good to go there. Nice simple workflow for you here today, but hopefully that's useful to somebody out there on the internet. And that's all. Have a good one.